In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Questrade to TradingView. Whether you're new to these platforms or familiar with them, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as easy and straightforward as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the TradingView website. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account first. It's quite a simple process, and TradingView offers a variety of subscription plans, including a free option, so make sure to choose the one that best fits your needs. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your hub for all things TradingView, a place filled with powerful tools and features designed to enhance your trading experience. Now, to connect with Questrade, the next step is to find the trading panel. The trading panel is a crucial feature on the TradingView platform as it allows you to connect with a variety of brokers. You can usually find it at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a new section displaying a list of supported brokers. Among these brokers, you'll need to locate Questrade. You can do this either by scrolling through the list or by using the search function to find it more quickly. Once you've found Questrade, click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to initiate the connection process. At this point, click Connect, and you'll be prompted to enter your Questrade login details. This step is essential because it ensures that your accounts are securely linked. Take your time to carefully enter your information. It's important that these details are accurate to avoid any issues with the connection. Once you've entered your login details, follow the prompts on the screen. These prompts guide you through the final stages of the connection process, and before you know it, TradingView and Questrade will be linked. During this process, you may be asked to authorize certain permissions. This is standard to allow TradingView to access your Questrade account for seamless trading and data exchange. Rest assured that both platforms use secure measures to keep your information safe. To wrap it up, connecting TradingView to Questrade opens up a world of trading insights and opportunities. The combined tools from both platforms can significantly enhance your trading strategy, whether you are just beginning or you're an experienced trader. So there you have it, a simple process to connect two powerful trading platforms, leaving you better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.